So here is some practice using graduated cylinders. So on the previous slide, it told you that we read the bottom of the dip, which is called the meniscus or the U shape. And we're going to estimate where that volume is in relation to the markings that are on the device. So these are graduated cylinders. In this one, our first step is to always identify the smallest markings. So one, the smallest marking. To get from 6 to 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 increments. So each of those increments or markings represents 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 7.0. So the smallest marking is the 0.1. So we are going to estimate, in this case, the second decimal place. We can get 2 decimal places from an instrument marked to the 0.1. So this dip looks almost right on the 0.6 line. So we're right around 6.6. But to me, it almost looks like there's like a tiny shadow right above the line for 6.6. So I'm going to say it's 6.6 and then some more. So 6.6. And then just the tiniest bit above. So I might say 6.61 milliliters. If you disagree, that's okay. If you call it 6.60 or maybe 6.59. It's okay as long as we are in the right range with the correct precision. So we're estimating that second decimal place. Let's look here. So we have 20 to 25, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 increments. So in this case, the smallest marking is every 1 milliliter. So this is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we will estimate in between those the next decimal place or the first decimal place in this number, the 10th place or the first decimal place. So to me, it looks to be between the 21 and the 22. So that is 21 and then more. So we're going to write 21 point. To me, it looks a little bit less than halfway. So halfway would be 0.5. It's a little bit below that to me, so I'm going to say 21.4 milliliters. As long as you're in the right range. With the correct precision, you could call it 21.3, 21.6, and all of those would be totally fine.